Assalamualaikum students, welcome to my YouTube channel Math with Mirza. In this video we will discuss the concept of factors, multiples and primes, and exercise we will start exercise 1.1 page number 12 and Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Learners Book 8. Question number 2, the statement is complete this factor tree for 108. The first question is what is the meaning of prime factor? In grade 6 we have a detailed discussion. If a number is given in the form of 50, we have to find out the prime factorization. We can use this method. When we will divide 2 with 50, answer will be written in the form of 25. Now you can see 25 is only divisible by 5, 5. Again we have to use 5 and 1. These are the prime factors of 50. Prime factor means you are just allowed to use the prime numbers to divide the given number. Only prime numbers. And what is the definition of a prime number? A number that is only divisible by 1 or by itself is known as a prime number. Now the statement of the question number 2 is complete this factor tree for the 108. We have to find out the prime factors by using the factor tree method. I will write the statement of question number 2. Question number 2, complete this factor tree. A factor tree is given starting from a factor tree is given and the first step is solved in the form of 2 and 54. Factor tree is also used to find out the prime factors. This is also a method of division that we can use. We can say that to find out the prime factors. Now we will use in this question number 2 by using the factor tree method. The first step is already done. Now you can see 2 is a prime number. We cannot simplify 2 anymore. It means we have to write down 2 as it is, and 54 is divisible by 2 and the answer will be equals to 27. When we will divide 54 with 2, the answer will be equals to 27. Now you can see this number is a prime factor, prime number, 2 is also a prime number, but 27 we can divide 27 with 3 and 9. 9 3s are 3 9s are 27, verified. 27 2s are 54, 54 2s are 108. On each and every step you have to verify your answer. Now you can see 2 2 3. We have 3 prime numbers, but 9 is not a prime number. It means the last step we have to solve now. 3 3 and 3. This is the factor 3 for 108. Now the B part is draw a different factor tree for 108. Draw different factor tree for 108. In this question 108, then the first step is starting from, we have 2 divisors of 108. The first one is 2 and the second one is 54. It means now we have to use any other divisors of 108. 108 is divisible by 4. 108 is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 and 8 as it is. 4 7s are 28. It means 108 is also divisible by 4. It means we can start our factors starting from 4 and 27. 27 4s are 108. In each and every step you have to verify your answer. Now you can see 4 is not a prime number, it means we have to find out the prime factors of 4. That will be written in the form of 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. Answer is verified. And 27 we can write in the form of 3 and 9. Again, prime number, prime number, prime number. These prime numbers we cannot simplify them. It means as it is we have to write them 2, 2, 3, and these 3 can be written in the form of 3 into 3. These are the prime factors of 108 by using another method. It's your choice, you can start from the 3 as well. Now, the C part is write 108 as a product of its prime factors. C part of question number 2 is question number 1 C part, write 108 as a product of prime factors. 108 can be written, these are all the product of prime factors. अगर इन सब को हम multiply करेंगे, the answer will be written in the form of 108. These are all the product of prime factors. जब इन सब को multiply करेंगे, the final answer will be written in the form of 108. It means product of prime factor is 2 2 3 3 3. 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. If the question is write your answer in index form, index means power. Now you can see we have only 2 2s and 3 3s. We can write down 2 power 2 multiplied by 3 power 3. The power is used to write down the quantity. We have only 2 2s, you can see the power is 2. And how many 3s we have? 3 we have in the form of 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is known as the index form. Now we will start the next question, that is draw a factor tree. Question number 2 is draw a factor tree for 200 that start with 10 and 20. The concept is very important, the factor tree, and we can find out the same prime factors by using the division method. If the question is given in exam, use the factor tree method. It means you have to use factor tree method to find out the prime factors. Question number 3. Statement is draw a factor tree for the number is 200 that starts with 10 multiplied by 20. This is the first step. The first step is you have to write down 200 as it is, and the first step is given 10 and 20. This is the first step. The factors of 200 can be written in the form of 10 into 20. When we will multiply 10 and 20, the answer will be written in the form of 200. Now you can see 10 is not a prime number. It means factors of 10 are 2 and 5. Both are prime numbers. And 4 and 5. These are the factors of 20. Now 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. We have to write down the prime numbers as it is, 5. But the 4 is not a prime number. 4 can be written in the form of 2 and 2. And this 5 we have to write down as it is. These are the prime factors of 200 by using the method of factor tree. As you can see, the factor tree is complete now. Write down 200 as a product of prime factors. The part B is product of prime factors. Product of prime factor means 200 is equals to 200 can be written in the form of 2 2 2 5 5. 3 times 2 1 2 3 5 and 5. 2 2 2 3 times 2 and 2 times 5. Compare your answer with your partner, compare your tree diagram with your partner. How many different factor tree can we draw for the 200 that start with 10 and 20? अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि इसी को 10 and 20 को स्टार्ट करते हुए हम कितने फैक्टर ट्री मज़ीद बना सकते हैं. एक और फैक्टर ट्री बनाया जा सकता है, उसकी मैं एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ आपको. D. This is the D part. Now you can see 200 starting from 10 and 20. The first step is as it is. इसके तो फैक्टर के अंदर नो प्रॉब्लम, वी कैन नॉट चेंज देम. इसके अंदर आपको किसी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. इन दिस क्वेश्चन द फर्स्ट स्टेप वाज 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 विल बी इक्वल्स टू 20. अब मैं इसके अंदर क्या यूज़ कर सकता हूँ? 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. 2 tens are 20. Again 2 is a prime number, we have to write down 2 as it is. 5 is also a prime number, we have to write down as it is. 2 is also a prime number, we have to write down as it is. 2 and 5. Now you can see the prime factors are 2 2 2 5 and 5. 2 2 2 5 and 5. It's your choice. आप कोई सा भी मेथड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स विल बी इक्वल्स टू ईच अदर. हमेशा सेम प्राइम फैक्टर्स आएंगे. आप डिवीजन वाला मेथड, एलसीएम मेथड यूज़ कर लें, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट इफ़ द क्वेश्चन इज़ गिवन इन योर एग्जाम कि यूज़ फैक्टर ट्री, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू यूज़ दिस टाइप ऑफ मेथड. ये तो था कॉन्सेप्ट फैक्टर ट्री का. आप इसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. फिर इसके बाद हमारे पास क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ड्रा फैक्टर ट्री फॉर 330. आई होप कि यू कैन ईजिली सॉल्व. Question number 5 is match each number to as a product of prime factors. कुछ questions given है, कुछ factors given है. Question number 5. Question number 5. Match the columns. Match each number to a product of prime factors. The first part is (20), (24), (42), (50), (180). 2 power 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 7, 2 square, 3 square, multiply by 5, 2 multiply by 5 square, 2 cube multiply by 3. Now first of all we have to understand what is the meaning of square. Okay, 2 square means we have to write down 2 times. How many times? 2 times. The factor can be written 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. The answer will be equals to 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. It means this is the answer. Okay, now 7 multiply by 3 21, 21 2s are 42. This is the number and these are the prime factors that are written in the form of power, index form. इसमें क्यों कोई पावर की फॉर्म में लिखा नहीं हुआ? हमारे पास सेम कैटेगरी से कुछ भी नहीं है, मीन्स 2 का भी एक फैक्टर है, 3 का भी एक फैक्टर है एंड 7 का भी एक फैक्टर है। दिस इज़ द रीज़न इसके अंदर कोई भी चीज़ जो है वो इंडेक्स फॉर्म में नहीं लिखी हुई। नाउ यू कैन सी 2 स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5, 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180. These are the prime factors and 180 is the given number. What is the meaning of 5 square? 2 multiply by 5 square means 2 times 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 multiply by 2, answer will be equals to 50. And last one is 2 2 2 multiply by 3. Okay, 2 power 3, it means we have to write down 2 3 times, 1 2 3 and multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. This is the solution of question number 5. Work out the product of the prime factors. The numbers are given. 3 square multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Very simple questions. Numbers are given in this form and we have to find out the answer. I will solve just 1 or 2 parts and then you will start practicing. Question number 6. Work out the product of prime factors. Now the prime factors are given, we have to find out the product. Prime factors are given, we have to find out the product. The simple criteria is we have to just multiply them. I hope you can easily find out. The first question is 3 square multiply by 5 multiply by 7. This is the same criteria. What is the meaning of 2 square? 2 times 3 square means 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. Now you can see 5 multiply by 7, 7 multiply by 5, answer will be written in the form of 35, 35. 35 multiply by 3, 35 multiply by 3, 5 3s are 15, 5 and 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 and 10, 105, 105 3s are, 105 3s are, 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. This is the answer of question number 6, first part. Prime factors will be given, we have to just multiply them by using calculator or by using the working method. This question will be given in first paper 1 and in paper 1 calculator is not allowed, you have to show your working. Now we will solve the next question. Next criteria we can say, question number 9 is write down 101 as a product of prime numbers, write 404 as a product of prime numbers. Question number 9, write 1001 as a product of prime factors. Method is not given, it's your choice. You can use factor tree method or a 1001. The number is divisible by 7, the number is not divisible by 5, the number is not divisible by 3. We have to use 1001 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7 minus 3 0, 7 fours are 28 minus 2 and 1, 7 threes are 21. Okay, when we will divide 1001 with 7, 1, 4 and 3 will be the remainder. Now you can see this number is divisible by 13. How we can understand by 13? 1, 4, 3. You have to use again division method. In last we have 3, we cannot divide with 2. If we use 3, 143, चले मैं 3 से करके दिखा देता हूँ. 3 fours are 12 minus 23 जो है वो टेबल में नहीं आएगा. इट मीन्स द नंबर इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. 5 से भी नहीं होएगा, 7 से भी नहीं होएगा. 13 से मैं डायरेक्ट इसलिए जा रहा हूँ, I can see 13 ones are 13 minus when we will subtract 1 and 3 again 13 11. Now 11 and 1, it means 1001 can be written in the form of, what are the prime factors? 7 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 11 are the prime factors. We have to use the division method and we can easily find out the answer. I will solve another part. Question number 9, the B part is write down the prime factors of the number is given 4004. 4004 dividing with 2, 2 2s are 4, 00 as it is. Again dividing with 2, 2 ones are 200 and 1. Again 1001, same criteria we have to apply. The number is divisible by 7. The remainder will be written in the form of 143. Then we can use 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13. Now 11 ones are 11. The prime factors of 4004 can be written in the form of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13 and multiplied by 11. 4004, the final answer. Now you can see 2 is written 2 times. 2 times means power will be 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 11 will be the required answer. Now the next question we will start. Now we will use the prime factorization method to find out the LCM and HCF. Question number 12. Factors of 40 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, and the factors of 28 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. We have to find out the HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. To find out the HCF, we have to just write down only common factors. What are the common factors? 2 is common in both the numbers. Again 2 is common in both the numbers. Now you can see 2 is available but in second row 2 is not available. 5 is available but 5 is not available in 28. 7 is available and 7 is not available. It means HCF will be written, जो एक pair आएगा we have to write only 2 and 2. Pair will be written in the form of single 2 and single 2. The final answer will be written in the form of 4. It means HCF will be equals to 4. Now we have to find out the LCM. To find out the LCM of the first number is 40 and the factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7, 28. To find out the LCM, the formula is common factors multiply by common factors and non-common factors. First of all, we have to find out the common factors, that are 2 and 2. These are the common factors in both the numbers. Common factors 2 multiplied by 2. These are the common factors. In between we have multiplication sign, and now we have to write down the non-common factors. Non-common जो दोनों के अंदर different हैं. The non-common factors are 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Now with the help of calculator we can find out 7 5s are 35, 35 2s are 70, 70 2s are 140, 140 2s are 280 is the LCM. HCF is 4 and the LCM is 280. This method is only used when the numbers are given in the factors form. In grade 6 we have a detailed discussion of to find out prime factors of 40 and 28. We can use this method, dividing with 2, 20 and 14. Dividing with 2, the number is 10 and 7. Now you can see both the numbers are different from each other and we cannot divide on a single table. Both the numbers are not divisible by 2, both the numbers are not divisible by 5, 3. It means this is the value of HCF. 2 2s are 4. Already discussed in grade 6. Now to find out the LCM. LCM means we have to multiply all the values that are written in the form of L shape. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 7. 10 7s are 70, 72s are 140, 142s are 280 is the required answer. This is the method which we usually use in grade 6, but we have to use this method if the question is given in this factors form. If the number is given and the product of prime factor is also given, then we have to use this method. Again, HCF means common factors and LCM means common factors multiply by non-common factors. I will solve another part and I will wind up the today's lesson. Next question is question number 13 and the two numbers are given, that are 450 and the product of prime factors are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. And the second number is 60 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now to find out the HCF, the formula to find out the HCF is common factors. Common factors, this is the first common factor, second common factor, third common factor. HCF will be written 2, we have a pair, we have to write down only 3 and 5. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30 will be the answer. Now to find out LCM, the formula is common factors multiply by non-common factors. Now you can see the common factor. First common factor is 2, second one is 3 and the third one is 5. Now non-common factor 3, 2 and 5. 3, 2 and 5. Now we can multiply all the numbers by using calculator or by using the working method. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 35s are 150, 153s are 450, 452s are 900 will be the required answer. If you feel any kind of difficulty in these two concepts, the first concept is by prime factors, finding prime factors by using a factor tree method, and the second one is known as to finding the HCF and LCM if the numbers are given in the form of product of prime factors. If you feel any kind of difficulty, let me know. Inshallah, I will upload a new video for all of you. And if you like my video, kindly share with your friends, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए आपको मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. स्टे ब्लेस्ड. अल्लाह हाफिज़.